Hello everyone, welcome to another edition of Useless Tutorials. Before we get started, I just want to invite you guys to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, and also follow me on social media. Plain and simple, if you don't watch this video, you aren't going anywhere. We're going to talk about how to walk, how to transport yourself from A to B in a safe and secure manner using your legs and the ground. So what you want to do is you want to grab one of these two legs and just put it forward. I'm going to go with my right leg, but you can also go with your left leg if you want. So we have our body weight actually on our back, on the back leg. And what we're doing when we're taking the step, this is what we call a step. A walk is basically just a collection of steps. What we're doing when we're taking a step is we're shifting our body weight from the back to the front. So this is what we're going to do now. Shift our body weight from back to front. Once you've done this first step, now it's time for the second one. So the second one is going to come from the other leg, and this other leg is going to take this leg's place right here in this position, and this leg is going to go to the back. So it's going to look something like this. You see how I moved forward a little bit? That's another step I just took. So as you can see, walking is basically just a series of body weight shift motions inside the legs, between the legs. So basically what it looks like when it's all strung together is this. Get out there, get walking, get active, get somewhere in life, literally. This has been Useless Tutorials. Thanks very much, and I'll see you next time.